It's Monday. Let's go through US30. So you can see everything. It's like the market is just going down. It's a 4-hour time frame. You can see this red candle here, but since we drawn everything here, so we are not going to be uh, going to be confused with the resistance and trend line. So you should draw something like this, but this one, it's not like it's a strong resistance. You can see here, but the market respected this point. You can see, but the market broke this. So if the market maybe it's about to break this point, let's expect maybe the market will just come here and try to consolidate. Maybe it can still go down, but at the moment we don't count this one. I just drawn this one with a blue color so that you don't confuse yourself when you are going to draw your resistance and support. Okay, so let's go straight to a different time frame. Let me take this one out. Let me zoom. So from last week, Friday or Thursday, the market was just going up and down. You can see the market here was creating like a downtrend. So we are on a very strong support here. So at the moment, actually, this is a very strong support. We can go to a smaller time frame like 1 hour. We're waiting for a bullish candlestick. When I say bullish candlestick, I mean a candlestick which it's similar to this one. That shows us that we are on a buy momentum. You can I don't know if maybe you can this thing doesn't throw nice, man. This one here, or maybe somewhere like here, but we want it around here. You can see we are on a resistance already, so we need a very nice bullish candlestick that can show us that the market then is going up, because you can see obviously we are ranging at the moment, so we expect the market to go up. So the best thing that you can do here, if you don't know which candles to check, so the best thing that you can do is to place your your buy pending orders somewhere here. You can place your buy pending order somewhere here. Then when the market push up, it will find your order somewhere here. But if you know which candlesticks to check, then you are good to go. I also send there's my early videos that I have sent few weeks ago about the candles that you should check when to buy, when to or when to sell. So you don't just sell just because the market is on a resistance or support. So you wait for certain candles, a bullish momentum, then you can get it there. Then the market will just move up. So if maybe, because it seems like everything at the moment, if you checked Nasdaq, S&P, they are all going down. So there might be a chance that this thing can break. There might be a chance that this thing can break this support, but it's a very strong support. There might, if maybe it breaks, expect it to retest, then sell it. You can sell from this point if it does break the resistance. But if it doesn't break the resistance, you must watch out, because at the moment the market is where we really want it to be. If you place your orders here, you have like 60% chance of being right, because when the market reaches this point, you can see from this point, when the market reaches this point, it just go up. From this point, the market will just touch the line and just straight up. It goes straight up. That's just because the market respect this point. There's people out there, traders out there who are just waiting for the market to reach this point, then they can just buy. That's why you see the market when it reaches this point, it just runs away from the line, you see. So this might happen. That's why I say you can just place your buy pending order somewhere there. Then if it doesn't come and touch your buy pending order, maybe the market will be consolidating, or maybe the market still wants to go down. But if the market is still pushing, if it's still pushing down, you can just wait for the market to break this line, which is very strong. And if it breaks this line, we expect the market to just drop very, very ish. Let me just take this call. So if the market breaks our resistance, just expect the market to drop. So it's easy at the moment, but it's very easy when you are on a bigger time frame, because you don't see those movements, those small movements. They end up confusing you if you are on a very small time frame. So at the moment here, my view today, it's if the market it doesn't break this point, actually it's this point. If it doesn't break this point, wait for the bullish momentum, then we can get it somewhere here, then we can buy. So let me make it as something like this, because this thing of throwing doesn't move smoothly. From this point we can expect something like this, something like that to happen. Sometimes it won't test twice, but because already the market tested several times here, so the market will just go up, because we have evidence that the market just came here several times and it just went up. You can see that. So if it does the opposite, because we should also think about the opposite, we shouldn't think about things to go our way. So there's another chance that the market can go in a different direction. So if the market goes in a different direction, we will expect the market to do something like this, to break and come back, or to break, respect, then and we have a nice sell. So things like this might happen. That's why you shouldn't be like 100% sure that it's a buy or it's a sell. You should have different options, so that when you enter, already you have a bigger picture of what's really going on, even if maybe you are wrong. As long as you can be less wrong, then it's much better. Be less wrong, then as long as you can be right few times, it's better than being always wrong. So that's why you should look to both sides, look what's really going on. There's a possibility that the market can just break this point. So that's the way to go. Actually, you don't have to be like 100% sure that the market will go up or it will go down. You have to have the probability. If the market, you see like at the moment, you can see this is it's a strong support. That's why when you say you want to buy from this point, at least you have a valid something that you can rely on. You can see the market used to come there and retest there and bounce back. It does make sense, you see. But when you say the market will just come here and maybe drop and break this resistance like that, it's difficult to reason like that, because the market since few days ago never did that. The market just came here, respected this point. So if the market breaks, obviously we should also consider that the market might break this point. Then if it does break, we will wait for the market to come and retest here, then it's where you can say you will sell. But at the moment we are expecting the market to do something like this. Maybe we can buy from this point. That's why if you want to buy, don't buy it here, just make a buy stop somewhere there. Then if the market really goes up, then you can have a nice buy. But at the moment, it's also risky because the market is not open. So when the market is not open, the market will just go up and down like this. When the market open, then it will just take a straight direction, or if maybe it's gonna sell, it's still gonna sell like that. So now wait for the market to do something here. It will show you if it's gonna go up. Then if it's going to go down, then it has to break this resistance. But at the moment, the market does not, it's not this resistance is not broken yet, so we're still waiting for the up momentum. So unless the market breaks this point, then we'll see what we can do on the lower side. So thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share. Thank you.